What's going on, guys? It's SRM from SRM Tech 360, and today's video is about an app, in fact one of the most hyped apps on Play Store, the PicsArt. And I'm gonna be editing some of my pics on it, and at the end I'm gonna be giving my opinions about the app. So without further ado, let's get started. So you just saw I edited 3 pics on it, and I have to say the editing was fantastic. I didn't go that much deep into it, but I just changed the overall look of the pics. So the first thing, it's easy to use if you just want to play with the brightness, contrast and saturation, but if you want to go a bit deep into editing, you gotta take tutorials. Second thing is that it has got a lot of options you can use while editing a pic, and you also get a lot of filters which you can apply on the pics. But there's one problem: you cannot crop a pic to perfection. There still remain some pieces, some unwanted pieces which you don't want to be there in your pic. For that you can simply use oil effect, as I did in the editing while editing that flower pic. But overall it's a very good app, in fact the best you can have in a mobile phone. But I also have to say that it's not something which can replace your Photoshop. Photoshop is just ultimate editing software, but for a mobile phone and for portability, it surely is the best option. So at the end of the day, I would give it 8.5 out of 10. That's pretty good. In fact, the best an Android photo editor can get. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Till the next time, goodbye.